All right, guys, here we are for part 4 of cover 0. We see the diagram here. Got two linebackers that should be going. So I want that got to be a lot more physical with him. Even though he's getting something on, I want more. I want more, though. Yeah, goal line here. Got to make that tackle. It's a tackle in the backfield. It must be made. Now, everybody doesn't feel the same way I feel about what this DN is doing to this offensive tackle. Me personally, I love it. Gang, gang. Take him down. Cause the play to spill sideways. There was no gap for him to run through straight forward, north and south. He had to spill sideways. The way it was playing. That's why it was drawn up. Just want a faster tackle. Stuff tackle to make. I want guys to hit up high on the goal line. It's just a power game. Run your feet. Because a lot of times when you hit low, he's still gonna fall forward and stretch and get that extra yard. I'd rather you hit him up high on the goal line and his shoulders, and you drive your feet and wait till you hold them up, wait till your buddies get there. But all in all, you're doing the best you can to try to cover what you can cover in that situation. Got to make this play. And rather than hit him in his legs, I want you to hit him right square under the top of his numbers, right under his face mask. Try to stand him up and drive him backwards. It's not bad though. It's not bad at all. So he should have the back. He should have the number 2 over here. Corner's got 1. Outside backer right here's got 2. Who happens to be that wing? Used to be sniffer. Some guys call him a sniffer. Jeez. We gotta make plays in the backfield. We do not have a contingency plan for missed tackles in the backfield. Oh my goodness. We gotta do better. Smash the field situation. Should be getting hands. Space there. You should be getting hands on that tackle. Taking on this puller with your inside shoulder. Yeah, it's not a smash and spill situation necessarily. So I say linebackers, you gotta feel that thing help us out. The defensive end down there missing a tackle too. Gotta hang on, buddy. Hang on. One of my first tackles in high school, my teammate was like, "Hey man, hit him low, grab legs, close your eyes, hang on for the ride. We coming. We'll help you." It's the very same. The very next play, that situation basically happened. I didn't close my eyes though. I just knocked a mess out of his legs and tried to crack his thigh pad. I was a hitter. At least I wanted to be. Oh, good job, D-line. That's what it should look like, D-line. I'd like to see your hands right there. Kodak moment. That's where it should look right there. That is what it should look like. Great job, defensive line. I need all of them just like that. Bench press his behind. Great job. Shed and get off. Outstanding. Anybody want to see a D lineman cause a foul? There it is. It was fourth down. We needed more. We needed more. God, how did he get through there? That one hurt. We needed to stop right there too. Oh, boy, this is close. All right, let's have a crack at it. Outstanding. Outstanding. You cannot do that to us in man coverage, sir. That is his guy. He don't know. Kid at the top don't know who to block. My coach said he would be standing right here. Not in man coverage, sir. Great tackle. Great job. Can we get that one more time? Outstanding. Come on, didn't get all of it. We did not get all that play. Let's see what's going on? Oh, there we go. Let me see. Is that going to be it? Nope. We just didn't get all that play recorded. Good secure tackle. Mm, not horrible. I think I wanted more from a D line, give him a little bit more pressure, but I have to take that. I want the corner on the left over here to be inside technique. He should not be in. You should not be outside trailing him in man-to-man coverage. You should be inside of here. I should see my corner. He got a little help because strong safety actually had no one to cover because his man stood up and blocked, so he just dropped into the hole to help, which was a big help. Good pressure on by the end. D-line and DBs should have a very close relationship. They make each other's job much easier. Not bad. I have to take it. You have to prove to me that you can do that for 80 yards if you're going to beat me. And at some point, we'll get to the goal line and I'll press my guy. Should be bringing both the inside backers. We get in here. Hey, ball's inside the 10. I'd rather see these guys press. And I'll put that on me. I should have been pressing here. Great job. Man, working together works. And everybody's on the same page. Working together works. It was a big play for us. That was big in this game. That was a big play. The young man had an outstanding game. He had an outstanding game. Gotta keep that contained on that blitz. Stay up. Got help from your friend. Got good help from your friend. Good coverage. Good coverage. Good coverage. We're plastered on these guys, man. It's outstanding football play.